What's going on, guys? It is almost the big game, and do I have one hell of a recipe for you guys. Air fried cilantro chicken wings. We're gonna try to keep it healthy. You're gonna be the MVP. Let's get to it. All right, guys, the first thing you're gonna need is a large mixing bowl. Next, you're gonna grab yourself some fresh lime juice. We're gonna add a half cup to the measuring cup. Add that right into our mixing bowl here. Next, you're gonna grab 1 cup of fresh chopped cilantro, and we're gonna add that into our mixing bowl. The next thing you're gonna do is grab some canola oil, 3 tablespoons in here. Grab some chili powder, and you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of this. Next, you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. Grab some kosher salt. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of this as well. The last ingredient is gonna be 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and whisk it on up. After you mix up the marinade, the next thing you're gonna need is a Ziploc baggie. You're gonna grab 2 pounds of chicken wings, and we're gonna toss this together. You can marinate this up for 30 minutes, or if you have some time, you can go ahead and marinate them overnight for 24 hours. But if you're a normal person, 30 minutes to an hour is gonna be just plenty. Once you put them in the Ziploc bag, you wanna go ahead and massage it into the chicken wings. Flip it over, get the juices everywhere, and we're gonna pop this into the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. Let this marinate, and then we're gonna pop them into the air fryer. Now we're gonna put the temperature to 390 degrees on both sides. We're gonna cook them up for 40 minutes, and they're gonna be nice, golden brown, toasty. Let's see how we do here. And bam, your chicken wings are done, ready to dig in. You are gonna be the MVP. Absolutely easy to make, super delicious. I think it's time to dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep it PG. I'm gonna eat. Later, guys.